Similarly, we can find out hybridization for cations as well as anions. For cation, C is equal to 1 by 2 G plus M minus C. Okay, where C is charge present on cation. Okay, we should subtract. For example, NH4 plus in this molecule, what is hybridization is present? Cation. So 1 by 2, its group number, central atom group number is 5 plus 4 monovalent elements, 4 are there, and then minus 1 here. There is a plus 1 charge, so that charge we should subtract. So 4 minus 1, 3. So 1 by 2, then 5 plus 3, 8. Again 2 ones, 2 fours. So 4 means sp3 hybridization. And similarly, H3O plus. So here the central atom is oxygen. So 1 by 2 is equal to group number, oxygen group number 6, sixth group. So there are how many? 3 monovalent atoms. So there is a minus 1 charge. So 3 minus 1, 2. Then 1 by 2, 8. sp3 hybridization. So in this way we can find out for any cations. Same formula we can use to calculate, where monovalent elements only we need to take here. Monovalent, okay, not for bivalent element. For example, carbon dioxide. So in this carbon dioxide molecule, then formula 1 by 2 carbon group number 4. Okay, but here oxygen is bivalent, not monovalent. So bivalent, that is why we no need to take this one. So here we need to take 0 only, because there is no monovalent element. So 1 by 2, 4. So 2 ones, 2 2. So 2 means what? sp hybridization is present in carbon dioxide. Okay, only monovalent elements only we need to take. Similarly, we can also find out for anions as well. For anions, (1 by 2) G plus M plus A. Just we need to add. So for example, SO4 2 minus sulfate. So sulfur group number 1 by 2. Sulfur group number is 6 plus oxygen. Oxygen is bivalent, not monovalent. So we need to take here anion charge is what? 2. So plus 2. So 1 by 2, 6 plus 2, 8. So 8 means 2 ones, 2 fours. 4 means what? sp3 hybridization. So in this way we can find out for any anions as well.